Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, those of you that are yet to subscribe and you have not subscribed, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like, share, and also make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. So, we would take a analysis. We want to take a look at AUD USD for this week. So, in order to be able to predict this move, we would actually start from the higher time frame analyze it downward to the forward time frame. But before that, last week we did analysis on AUD USD. We talked about kind of having like a bullish move, right? And I told you the targets. You can see these targets here. That time I'm watching out for that. I personally would want to see this AUD USD get to a level of 0.69, right? Before we start having that bearish move or that drop. Well, so where anyway, price gave us the bullish move that we talked about. Now this level that I am watching out for, which is a level 0.69, it will actually take me about 100 pips to get there. So let's see if this AUD USD will actually get to this level this week before we now get that drop. This week, by the way, I will be expecting a bearish move, right? I'm going to tell you the reason why I'll be expecting it. But before that bearish move will happen, there's every possibility that this price will actually get to the level that I am watching out for, which is a level of 0.69 before we get to that drop. And if price does not get to that level, then we will start having that drop on AUD USD. Now let's start on the monthly time frame. If you have to zoom it out, right, the first thing you would want to ask yourself is the trend. You would want to know the trend for such movements. Is it an uptrend move? Is it a ranging market move? Or is it a downtrend move? So what we are having on AUD USD is actually a downtrend move. You clearly can see that price is giving us a lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. That is one. You can also see that this price is trading below the 10 period simple moving average, right? Previously it was trading above this 10 period simple moving average, right? We all know that once price is above the 10 period simple moving average, then we all should look to go long. We should see it as a bullish move. But anyway, price is trading below the 10 period simple moving average. So this is the what I'm seeing on this AUD USD. I'm seeing something like this, an impulse move downward, or lower lows. This will be seen as a lower highs, a new lower lows, a lower highs played out here, lower lows here, a lower highs, right? I'm seeing this again as a lower lows. You see this lower lows here broke this previous low. So all these lows we are making were actually breaking the previous lows. And I'll take a look at this to be a lower highs. And you see this huge drop that was made on AUDUSD, which is a lower lows, and now a lower highs has been formed. So once this lower highs is over, which I believe it should be over this week, right? I'm watching out for this price to actually and its bullish move this week, then AUD USD will drop. So after this pullback is over, we expect AUD USD to actually start giving us that bearish move. Exactly what I am watching out for. So another reason why I'm expecting AUD to USD to fall is that we are now starting to get positive news about the USD. We can see a news was released either on Tuesday or Wednesday, right? The news kind of came out positive, which we expect our DXY to start doing well in the future. We also saw the news that came out on Friday yesterday, right? The news also came out positive. The news was doing well. So basically, all this will actually start increasing, pushing our US or USD index or DXY up. So any other currency pairs will be trading to this USD or so this our DXY should definitely give us a drop. So this is one of the reasons why AUD USD I would want to see it actually give me like an 100 pips bullish move, which is a level of 0.69. If it can give me an 100 pips bullish move, then I expect it this same week AUD USD should start dropping. So I will believe I'm watching out for this level. Also technically is that there's kind of like a rejection around this level. We saw that price has just tapped this level and the price rejected, right? We also saw that price came to this same level again and price rejected it. So let's see if this price will come to this same level, then a rejection would be made whereby AUD USD would start dropping. So above all AUDUSD, we should expect a bearish move. That should not take us to the weekly time frame. You can see on the weekly time frame, this is kind of like a bullish move. uptrend move, right, which is on the pullback level on the monthly time frame. So when you take a look at the monthly time frame, see this is a pullback level, right? So this bullish move literally started around November. You can see the month of November, AUD actually opened and closed bullish. The month of December, AUD actually opened and closed bullish, and we are in the month of January, right? The price is giving us a bullish move, so we believe this month the bullish move should be over. Then we will start having that drop. So when you take a look at it on one weekly time frame, you take a look at this would be an ice. This will be considered to be a pullback. Then you take a look at this again to be a new ice, and here will be considered to be a pullback. You will take a look at this to be a new ice that broke this previous ice, and you cannot take this to be a pullback. So let's see if this ice is actually forming, right? We're actually at this level of this previous ice. So we expect this impulse move to actually take out this ice, right? So if this impulse move, that this last one that I will be watching out, take out this previous ice, that means a new ice has been formed on the weekly time frame on AUD. Maybe then we can now start having that drop. That time, the DXY or this, USD index or whatever you want to call it, should start giving us a bullish move. So AUD should start dropping. So, like I said previously, I would want to see it give me a little bit of a bullish move before I start getting that drop. At least a level of, watch out if it can give me a bullish move of 70 to 100 pips this week before AUD will start dropping. Now take a look at this daily time frame. Basically, we are still on an uptrend move, right, on this the daily time frame. So I mean, though we are expecting a drop, but that drop has not started playing out. So it won't make sense for us to actually go ahead and sell, right? So we just have to start getting a lower lows and a lower highs. Maybe when you get two or three break of structure downward, then we can now say, okay, the bearish move have now started. Okay, the bearish move is here. Okay, those of you that are a long-term trader, this would be the best setup to actually go ahead and sell. If it is not giving us that movement, then we would still see this as a bullish move. You can also see that this price is trading above this 10 period simple moving average. Maybe once this price drop and it is trading below the 10 period simple moving average, we can go ahead and consider looking to sell. And now let's take a look at this 4-hour time frame. Basically, price is actually rejecting at a level of at this level here. See that price is here rejecting. So let's see if price will come reject here. Give me a last one more bullish move on the 4-hour time frame that will take out this ice to hit that level of 0.69. Like I said previously, it is not a must it actually gets there, but I would be watching out for it. It's not a, like I said, it is not a must. This price can eventually just find a rejection at this resistance level or 4-hour time frame, thereby price will start dropping. So do not be taken out, do not be surprised if in case price starts dropping. But let's see if it will go up a little bit. If it does not go up, then we will start getting that bearish move on AUDUSD. And let's see if it will actually drop and take out this lows here. So AUDUSD, first we should watch out for a bullish move before it starts going bearish.